Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Mobius120 or Drew2 and this is my second ever sonic screwdriver video. So let's get started. Now I won't go into an in-depth review, I guess. So here we have it. The Celestial Toystore 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver 11th Hour variant. There's the end cap, as you can see. Very nicely there. And there's a screw there to keep it in place. And there's the grub screws here and up here. I guess that's to keep this entire thing in place, in case you ever want to loosen that up and take this whole part out with the tube. So yeah. You see all these black spots, and it is coloration on the slider plate. If it will focus. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Yep, see all that discoloration? This is all done intentionally to give it a weathered look. So yeah. And here we have the teeth. The sliding teeth. Yep, right there. And that's all pretty nice. And we got the emitter. It's very good. So, and it slides up with ease, yes. And CT frosted his channels like this right here. And as you can see, that it's cracked, the acrylic. Now that's just due to age. So yeah. And it slides up very nicely. And yeah, so as for features, there's one sound. That's very bright. Wow. And you can think of this as the volume, that it gets louder when you slide it up. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I absolutely love this piece. It's gorgeous. I think it's a brilliant work of craftsmanship and a brilliant work of art. CT really has outdone himself here with this one. So yeah, I love it. So, seeing as I'm pretty new to this, please let me know if you'd like me to do more of these, more screwdriver replica reviews. And yeah, let's see what you all think. I hope I did okay. All right, goodbye.